I welcome you all. The topic discussed is projection of straight lines when the line is inclined to both the planes. The data given are true length equal to 60 millimeter, theta equal to 30 degrees, phi equal to 45 degrees. The question given is a straight line AB 60 mm long has its end A 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. It is given the line is inclined at 30 degrees to HP and 45 degrees to VP. So, the position of the given straight line is the line is inclined to both the planes HP and VP. Also, it is given the true length of the straight line AB is 60 mm long and the end point A is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. Let us now start to draw the projection of the given straight line. Take A3 sheet, draw margin on all four sides. Write the question number. In the bottom right corner, write all dimensions are in millimeter. First, draw reference line XY. The area above XY is VP, the area below XY is HP. It is given point A is 20 mm above HP. So, the front view of the point A, that is A dash, is 20 mm above XY. So, from the reference line measure 20 mm, mark a point A dash. This point A dash is 20 mm above XY. Also, it is given point A is 30 mm in front of VP. So, the top view of the point A is 30 mm below XY. From the reference line measure 30 mm, mark the point A. This point A is 30 mm below XY. Here both the points A dash and A both are lying in the same projector. Now from the point A dash, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of A dash. Similarly, from the point A, draw a parallel line to XY. This line is locus of A. It is given true inclination of line to HP, theta equal to 30 degrees. Take a protractor with reference point as A dash, measure angle equal to 30 degrees and draw an inclined line. It is given true length of line AB equal to 60 mm. From the point A dash, measure 60 mm, mark the point B1 dash. Here A dash B1 dash length measures 60 mm and the line A dash B1 dash is inclined at an angle of 30 degrees to XY. From the point B1 dash, draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts the locus of A at a point B1. Now measure the length between A B1. This length is the top view of the line equal to 52 mm. So, using the true angle to HP, that is theta equal to 30 degrees and true length of line AB equal to 60 mm, we have found the top view length, that is AB1 equal to 52 mm. Now it is given true inclination of line to VP phi equal to 45 degrees. Again take a protractor with reference point as A. Measure angle equal to 45 degrees, draw an inclined line. We know the true length of line AB is 60 mm. From the point A, measure 60 mm, mark the point B2. Here the length of the line AB2 is 60 mm and this line AB2 is inclined at an angle of 45 degrees to XY. From the point B2, draw a perpendicular line to XY. This line cuts locus of A dash at a point B2 dash. Measure the length between A dash B2 dash. This length is front view length, that is A dash B2 dash length is equal to 42.5 mm. It is the front view length of the line. So here in total, using the true inclination of the line to HP and true length, we have found the top view length, and also using the true inclination of line to VP and true length of the line, we have found the front view length. It is equal to 42.5 mm. Now from the point B1 dash, draw a line parallel to XY. This line is locus of B dash. Similarly, from the point B2, draw a line parallel to XY. This line is locus of B. Now let us locate the point B dash and B, that is front view and top view of the point B, using rotating line method. Take a compass, measure radius equal to A dash B2 dash length. It is equal to 42.5 mm. Draw an arc. This arc cuts the locus of B dash at a point B dash. Join A dash B dash. This line is the front view of the given line AB. Again, take a compass, measure length AB1 equal to 52 mm. Center point as A. Draw an arc. This arc cuts the locus of B at a point B. Join A and B. This line is the top view of the line AB. Now check whether both the points B dash and B, that is the front view and top view of the point B, lie in the same projector. If it is correct, then darken the answer. A dash B dash the front view, AB the top view. Here A dash B dash line and AB line is the projection of the given line AB. Show the dimensions. The true length of the line is equal to 60 mm. So this is the answer for the given question. Now to have a generalized idea on projection of straight lines inclined to both HP and VP, we must know what data were given in the question and the data we have found to complete the projection of straight lines. The following part will make you possible to draw any question from projection of straight lines inclined to both the planes. Now, while drawing the projection of line, there are totally 12 data. The first one was point A is above HP, it is given, it is 20 mm. The second data is point A is in front of VP, it is equal to 30 mm. So the location of the end point A is given in the question, it is 20 mm above HP and 30 mm in front of VP. The true length of line was given equal to 60 mm. The true inclination of line to HP was given, theta equal to 30 degrees. True inclination of line to VP, phi equal to 45 degrees. So in the question they have given the end point location and three data, true length, theta and pi. So using this 5 data, while completing the problem, we have found the remaining 7 data. Let us now see what are the data we have found while drawing the projection of straight line. Top view length AB1 equal to AB. If you measure, this length is equal to 52 mm. AB1 equal to 52 mm and length of AB equal to 52 mm. So top view length is equal to 52 mm. Front view length A dash B2 dash equal to A dash B dash. If you measure the distance of A dash and B2 dash, it is equal to 42.5 mm. It is equal to A dash B dash equal to 42.5 mm. So the front view length is equal to 42.5 mm. Top view of line inclined to VP. If you measure the angle of the top view line, it is equal to 55 degrees, that is beta equal to 55 degrees. Front view of line inclined to HP. If you measure the angle of the front view line, it is equal to 45 degrees. So alpha equal to 45 degrees. Point B is above HP. So measure now the distance between reference line XY and locus of B dash. this length is equal to 50 mm. So point B is above HP, 50 mm. Point B is in front of VP. If we measure the distance between XY and locus of B, it is measured, the length is equal to 72 mm. So the point B is in front of VP by 72 mm. Distance between the projectors, that is you have A dash A projector, B dash B projector. If you measure the distance between these two projectors, it is equal to 30 mm. So distance between projectors is 30. So totally we have 12 datas. In the question they may give you any 5 data. Any 5 data. The solution is the same. The only thing is the steps will change. The procedure is same, the method is same, only the steps will change. If at all they have given me the top view length, front view length and point B is above HP, I must draw such that I get the same answer. The drawing will not change, but the thing is the steps will change. So kindly remember, if any data is given, the step only will change, but the answer will not change. I hope you will understand what I am saying as you practice the projection of lines inclined to both the planes. Thank you. Wish you all the best.